Signature guide. What do you think about signature guide? Signature guide, is it a person or is it a book? Is it a new machine anything? Any new technology which is helping us for our signature anything? Absolutely not. It is one of the most unique low vision aid. Low vision people will have a difficulty to write in a straight line, specifically while they are signing any documents or while they are filling up any forms or checks. To overcome these problems, we have a signature guide. Signature guide looks like a credit card in size. It's made from durable plastic material. Mostly it will be in black color. There will be a gap in the middle of the card. By placing this guide over the document wherever the signing needed, it will help us to sign in a straight line. For most of the low vision people, this signature guide will give the confidence to sign more efficiently like a normal person. Okay guys, we'll meet you in next video. Tata bye bye everyone.